Investigators need your help in catching the arsonist wanted for torching this mobile phone store in San Bernardino. A reward is being offered for information leading to the suspect or suspects. Fire broke out at Omar's Wireless in a strip mall on West Foothill Boulevard and Meridian Avenue in January. KCAL 9 Inland Empire reporter Adrianna Weingold has details on the reward.
Investigators are looking into who set fire to Omar's Wireless back on January 23rd. This is what the building looked like just moments after the call came in for help. Investigators believe someone purposefully threw explosives, a Molotov cocktail, into the building.
Putting other businesses at risk as well as the first responders' lives at risk is pretty serious to us.
The fire department is just a few blocks away, and investigators say they were on scene within minutes. They say it had to be something violent, a large explosive to cause flames so big, so fast, and they're hoping someone saw what happened.
It doesn't matter what it is. If it's a vehicle that's out of place that you didn't recognize, somebody you didn't recognize in the neighborhood, in the area, that's significant to us.
The owner of Omar's Wireless didn't want to go on camera because he says he fears for his safety. The firebomb destroyed the store and caused major damage to neighboring businesses. Now the ATF is investigating the explosion along with the San Bernardino City Fire Department, and they need your help.
We're offering a $2,500 reward for information that will lead to the arrest and conviction of the person responsible for the firebombing.
If you have any information about this case, arson investigators have set up a special hotline. You can find that number on our website, kcal9.com. Reporting in San Bernardino, Adrianna Weingold, KCAL 9 News.